Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Experiencing a blank screen when you try to power on your PlayStation 5 can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, many common power-up problems have straightforward solutions you can often fix yourself. We'll explore several effective troubleshooting steps together, aiming to get your console back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in and see what's preventing your PS5 from turning on. First, let's start with the basics, which are often the most overlooked. Make sure your PS5 power cable is securely plugged into both the console itself and a working wall outlet. Sometimes, a loose connection is all it takes. Also, try plugging your console into a completely different power outlet, or even test another power cable if you have one. Before trying again, disconnect all external devices like USB drives or charging cables, as they can sometimes interfere with startup. If basic power checks don't work, we can try booting your PlayStation 5 into safe mode. To do this, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear the second beep. Once in safe mode, select Rebuild Database. This process can resolve many system issues without deleting your games or saves. It's a powerful tool for fixing software glitches that might be preventing your console from starting normally. Overheating can often prevent your PlayStation 5 from turning on as a safety measure. Feel your console. If it's unusually warm even when off, it might be the cause. Make sure your PS5 has plenty of open space around it for proper ventilation, avoiding enclosed cabinets. Gently use compressed air to clear any dust from the vents, but be very careful not to spray directly into ports. Keeping it cool helps maintain its health. If you've diligently tried all these troubleshooting steps, and your PlayStation 5 still refuses to power on, it might be time to reach out for professional help. Contact PlayStation support and clearly explain all the methods you've already attempted. This will help them diagnose the problem more efficiently. It's possible there's an internal hardware issue that requires a technician's expertise, and they can guide you through the repair or replacement process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.